You're looking for a planter's pot, shaped of an animal, any type of sculpture, handmade, painted black. This product may be something you are after. We're going to show you what it's about. The planter measures 5 inches plus in height, 4+ inches in diameter. The maximum radius on the bottom is 7 inches. It weighs in just a little over 1 pound, 1.4 pounds to be exact, made of resin, resists cracks, and more. Painted in black with a off-white finish, a look of a panda. Put your favorite potting mix in. Put a jade plant in, small plants, whatever you have. African violets, and more. As we transplant, the pot can hold any type of plant that you can imagine. Simply pull the drain plug out, place to the side, and you have your panda plant. Fit any plant you want to put in. Put by the window, wherever imaginable. Stick on a porch, on a balcony, anywhere. On top of the stairs, and more. Stick your basil, your herbs, your vegetables, your fruits, whatever plant you have for the panda plot. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for your planting and gardening needs.